Hi and welcome to an RCC Business Talk. I'm very happy to be here with two guys working in the aviation field. First of all, it's Mr. Octavian Pleter. Welcome to the show. Thank you for being here from the aeronautics faculty in Bucharest, the technical university in Bucharest, dealing with planes, basically, so that's all you need to know. And Tom Leen at JKN Fokker in Bucharest also. Thank you very much for being here. What do you do at the university, at the technical university here in Bucharest, and why should a young person involved in dreaming about flying get in contact with you?
Well, aviation is a fascination, but also space. We're an aerospace engineering faculty, one of the faculties of the University Polytechnic of Bucharest. This is the largest technical university, not only in Romania, but in the whole region, with 30,000 students. And we are 1,300 students, aeronautical and space technology faculty. And our graduates will, of course, be involved in designing, calculating aircraft structures, as they do at JKN Fokker, and also will be avionics engineers or maintenance engineers. There are very many careers in this field. Safety, traffic management is...
And it's growing.
It's a growing field now because we're going to change the way the traffic will be managed.
We have been here since 2004 already, quite some time. So our company is one of the largest tier 1 suppliers, as we call it, in the world for the aerospace industry. And that basically means that we produce sub-assemblies for airplanes. So whenever Airbus or Boeing is making a new plane, we either design and produce the tail or the wings or movable sections from the airplane. We tend to produce multiple high quality, high technical level subsections, and by that really become a partner for the bigger operators, the bigger OEMs. So what we do over here is mostly the design and the structural analysis. So over here we determine what it will look like, what kind of materials are used, how it is assembled, and then the actual production is being done either in the Netherlands or in the UK or in Turkey or in the United States, several locations worldwide.
So what do you do together, Mr. Pleter? What do you do with these guys? What's the relationship?
Well, we have a strategic partnership, actually. Which started like 15 years ago when Fokker decided to establish a branch here in Bucharest. We're very happy about is that our graduates, aerospace engineers, may be employed here in Romania by a strong international company, and they are now part of very top projects in aerospace, and that's great because this is done here.
So they're doing world-class aeronautics without leaving the country.
Exactly, that's right. And perhaps many Airbus airplanes, Gulfstream airplanes, involve also Dutch-Romanian partnership fruits.
Benefits for both of you. What do you get from the faculty? What do you get from students and from graduates, of course? And what do you get from Fokker? Who wants to start?
Well, yeah, I would like to start. Well, the thing is, the benefits are never on the short term. The benefits are for us always on the long term. We are quite successful with partnerships with universities, for instance in the Netherlands. We have a good partnership with the Technical University in Delft. And one of the major success stories of that is, of course, the glare material that we use for the A380, the super jumbo jet. We made the computer fuselage from glare material, which was a collaboration with the university, a new sort of material that we invented. So that's just one of the successes that we had because of the partnership. And that's also something that we wanted to include here, of course. At first, the partnership the goal of the partnership was to make sure that we have high qualified employees for the future. We know that that's not something that you do in a couple of months, but it's something that you have to invest for in multiple years. But we do see that venturing off that way, and we do see the added benefits that it can have. And I think right now, after so many years of collaboration and even extensive collaboration in the last couple of years, we see really what it pays off for us. Every time we have somebody new starting within our company, they know what we can expect from them, and they know what they can expect from us.
And for you?
Well, that's a great resource of internship for our students, high quality internship places. Also, there is the Fokker Academy, which we established here as an alternative education program. The courses are taught by engineers, by skilled engineers, and not by professors. That's a change, and students find it very relevant, and they are very attracted to this, because it's down to practice, down to the real thing, and far from theory that they hate so much these days, but they also need them, and they need the theory, but we have to somehow mix this theory with very practical things, and Fokker Academy is a great success story.
What are the costs of the partnership for you and for you? Man hours, of course, I would say. Time.
Yeah, it's really time and effort. And we had this conversation already a couple months before, that we say we feel as a company of our magnitude and our footprint, not only in Romania but also in the world, we feel that we also have to act local, so contribute to a local community. So by that we have the moral obligation, so to say, to of course spend our time and effort and expertise that we have to do something back. But we're more than happy to do it, and it never feels as an obligation for anybody. Our engineers, for once indeed, like Silvio and Florin, are extremely proud and highly energized for participating in these kind of things. And all of our people that contribute to this partnership truly go above and beyond to make it successful. And I think it's that dedication that is needed to make sure that that it becomes a success. And if that dedication is there, and if people love what they do and love to explain it to others, then it's really, the only investment that I have to make then is making sure that they have the ability to do so.
Thank you very much, both of you. Wish you good luck. And remember, if you like the show, don't forget to share, send it to your friends. Tom Leen of JKN, Fokker in Romania, and Octavian Pleter at the Faculty of Aerospace in Bucharest.